Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to play a game with my ladybug that I have right here. I sent this ladybug to your mom and dad so they can print it so you can play my game too. You're going to need this ladybug, and then you're going to need a whiteboard, or it can just be a piece of paper and something to write with. And you're going to need 2 dice. So find one of your games that has some dice in it and take them out. And then you're going to need one more thing. What is my ladybug missing? You're right, my ladybug is missing its spots. We're going to add spots to the ladybug. So you need to find something that you can make spots with on the ladybug. But we don't want to use a marker or a crayon because we want to be able to remove the spots. So I have my little plastic rocks that I'm going to use to put spots on my ladybug. You can use rocks like I have, or rocks that you found outside, or you can use some of your toys. You could use blocks or Legos, or maybe even some pom-poms. Anything that you want that you could make spots on your ladybug, but then that you can take off. All right, we're ready to begin our game. First, I'm going to start with 1 die, and I'm going to roll it and see what number I get. Ooh, I got a big number. Do you see what number I have? What do you think this number is? If you're not sure, you can count the dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled number 6. All right, friends, that means I'm going to put 6 spots on my ladybug. I can put them anywhere on my ladybug that I want. Can you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 6 spots on my ladybug. Now we're going to write it down. You can write it down on a whiteboard like I have, or on a piece of paper. All right, first I'm going to draw a circle, just like my ladybug. Then I'm going to draw a big line down, right down the middle. And then I'm going to count my spots on each wing of the ladybug. How many spots are on this side of the ladybug? Can you help me count? Ready? 1, 2. All right, let's write down the number 2 on this wing. All right, then we're going to count the spots that are on this wing, on that side of the ladybug. Can you tell how many there are without counting? All right, let's count to check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make a 4. Little line down, little line across, just like an L. And then big line down. All right, now we're going to put it all together. Do you remember what number I rolled? Do you remember how many spots are on the whole ladybug? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you remember I rolled a 6? So let's write the number 6 at the top. Down and around. There's my 6. Good job, boys and girls. Now I'm going to give you a challenge. I'm going to show you how to write an addition problem, just like the big kids do. We're going to write down our first number, 2. Then we're going to make a plus sign. A plus sign looks like a little T. I go down and across. And then I'm going to write my next number on this side. What number was this? You're right, it's a 4. I'm going to write a 4. Little line down and across, and big line down. And then I'm going to write an equal sign. An equal sign is just 2 little lines across. And then I'm going to write how many spots did I have all together. I had 6 spots all together. Then I can write a 6. Let's say the whole thing. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Nice job, boys and girls. let's play again. I'm gonna erase the board. Okay, and we're gonna clear off my ladybug. Ready? Whoosh! All right, let's play it again with my one die. Shake it up. I wonder what number I'll get. Do you want to make a guess? Let's see. I got number, can you tell what it is? It's 4. Good job. I can count the dots if I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that means I get to put 4 spots on my ladybug. Here we go. You can help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. My ladybug has 4 spots. Okay, let's write it down. Do you remember what I do first? I draw a circle. Then I draw a line right down the middle. That shows the 2 sides of my ladybug. All right, let's look at my ladybug. How many spots are on this side? Can you tell without counting? You're right, there are 2 spots on that side. So I'm gonna write a 2 with a big curve and a little line across. Good job. All right, how many spots are on this side, on this wing? Can you tell without counting? Remember, we're only counting the ones on this side. Good job. There's 2 on that side also. Big curve with a little line across. All right, now we have to write how many spots did I put on my ladybug all together. Let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I rolled a 4. All right, we have 4 spots all together. I'm going to put a big 4 at the top. Little line down, little line across, and a big line down. Good job. All right, here's our challenge. Are you ready to write the addition problem? Here we go. This is just like the big kids do. Here we go. We're going to write our first number is 2. Then we make a plus sign. Do you remember what the plus looked like? You're right. It was a little T. Just a little line down and a little line across. And then we write our other number. It was a 2 also. Big curve, line across. And then do you remember what comes next? 2 plus 2 equals. And equals is 2 little lines. And then I put my big number. How many spots were on my ladybug all together? You're right, I had 4 spots all together. So I make little line down, little line across, and a big line down for my 4. Good job, boys and girls. You can keep playing with 1 die just like I've been playing, but you can also play with 2 dice. Let me show you. Erase your board. Okay, let's clear off our ladybugs so we can play again. Ready? Whoosh! This time, I'm gonna roll 2 dice. Let's see what happens. Shake it up and roll. All right, I'm gonna look at 1 at a time. What number did I get on this side? You're right, I got number 1. That means I'm only gonna put 1 spot on this side. All right, let's see what my other dice said. What number did I get? Can you tell what it is? You're right, it has 3 dots. I got number 3. I get to put 3 spots on this side. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're gonna write it down. What do I draw first? You're right, I draw a circle. Just like the shape of my ladybug. What do I draw next? I draw a big line down to show my 2 wings on my ladybug. All right, let's see. How many spots did I have on this side or this wing? You can just tell me. I only have 1. So we're going to make the number 1. All right, can you tell? How many spots do I have on this side? Can you tell without counting? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 spots on that side. So I'm going to write a 3. I wonder how many spots I have all together. I rolled 2 dice this time, so I don't know. Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 4 spots all together, so I put my 4 at the top. Good job, boys and girls. Remember, you can challenge yourself to write the addition problem at the bottom. Let's do it together. What's our first number? 1. Then what do I put? 1 plus. A plus is that little shape that looks like a T. 1 plus, what was my number over here? You're right, it was a 3 because I had 3 spots on this side. So I'm going to write a 3. 1 plus 3 equals. Do you remember the equal sign? It has 2 little lines across. And then how many spots are on my ladybug all together? You can look up here or you can count again. How many did I have all together? You're right, it was 4. A little line down, little line across, and big line down makes our 4. Good job, boys and girls. You can keep playing with 2 dice just like we did here. Or you can play with just 1 dice. You can play this game with a brother or a sister or a mom and a dad. And you can both roll the dice and put your spots on the ladybug and see which person has the most spots. Or you can play which one has the least amount or smallest number of spots. Have fun playing our game, boys and girls, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.